Hey guys, what's up? It's Ice again, and I'm back playing Icy Hostile. Gotta turn the sound down real quick. So this time I think whoa. Who's this? Who are you? Huh?
Brofist.
Yeah, Brofist. Brofist. Okay, so this is JDog8420, my first guest on Icy Hostile. I decided to have a guest for no apparent reason, and because I love Jonah, no offense. Not like in a gay way, but like, just, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so, Jonah, I'm not gonna give you anything, considering you're just gonna die with it.
I really am I can't do anything. I'm lagging.
I have nothing. Why would you do that? No! Brofist! Freaking Brofist! Run away! No!
That's what you did! You're a terrible person!
Wait, I can fix this.
Yeah?
You better not take
There's
anything.
nothing. Oh.
Of course you take the hoe. Okay, I should have, yeah, I have 10 cobble, so I can fix this mess of things you've made. Okay, so what's our plan for this episode, Jonah? Considering you're the guest. Oh, wow. Okay, we're back, guys. That was a computer thing. Computer thing happened there. Okay, so what's the plan, Jonah? What's the game plan? Whoa, where'd you go? Okay, you like teleported. Okay, here's the plan. You are gonna take this wind sword. I have a flak vest. I am awesome. Remember that. Take this wind sword and go, like, survive. Okay? Okay, follow me. Follow me. Wait, I have to get my sword. 1 sec. I have to make a new stone sword because mine's about broken. Okay. Okay. Give it a second. Don't die in the few seconds I'm making my stone sword. Okay. So, I think our objective should be to go get the coal from the dungeons. Oh my gosh. Jonah! Quit! You're horrible at this. You lost my wooden sword.
No, I'm just choosing to be very good.
Jonah, follow me. Oh gosh. Well, some blaze hit me. Okay, that's great. Yeah, I forgot about the great guy over there. Oh, there's more than one guy over there. Yeah. I'm gonna make a run for my stone tools. And not burn in lava. Okay, where are they? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna die.
I shall kill you, Blaze. Maybe not.
Oh, I have half a heart. Yeah. Okay. Oh no! Okay, so this is probably just a messing around episode. Two creepers. Let's run. Let's run away. We're like tearing up this island. Oh, I saw a creeper spawn, and there's... Okay. Wow, there's a lot of blazes. Hey, I found your wooden sword. You won't get me, Blazes. You can't get me. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. I'm gonna go get my coal, and you guys are gonna like it. Crap. This is so horrible. See what you brought on this world? You set fire to the rain. Jonah, why did you set fire to the rain? Gosh. Yep. I'm gonna die again. I'm dead. I'm screwed.
But it would be lagging so terribly, everything would be fine.
Yeah, that's because it's my freaking computer running an SMP. Oh! SMP server. And it doesn't do very well under those conditions. And the fact that I'm uploading. I'm uploading something on the Blue Group Rose. Go, Carson! Go! Go, Carson! Go, Carson! You got this. No! This is impossible! You set fire to the rain, Jonah. Gosh. Why?
Where do places come from anyways?
A spawner? No, I'm not getting that.
It should be as simple as taking it out.
No. Jonah. Did you notice all... No! Did you notice all the obsidian? I'm pretty sure all the spawners are covered in obsidian. I don't know where a diamond pickaxe is. This is why I'm not living on this island. I will not live on this island. I will live in the dungeon. Because that's the only safe area. Yeah, Blaze. Yeah, what now? I'm gonna have to end it soon because this is just not very productive. You know how I know? Because you're like on fire and I'm on fire and I'm in lava and stuff. And creepers keep spawning and stuff and it's just evil. I'm gonna have to set up like ferret tunnels going places because of how horrible this is. Yeah, punch the face. I'm gonna beat you guys down with my freaking fist. Go, Carson. Go. Quit being on fire. Yes. Get your stone tools if they're still there. I see a wooden sword. I'm gonna grab it. And then I'm gonna...
Lag.
I can't help it, bro.
I found a chest.
What?
I found a chest.
Where?
There's nothing in it.
Exactly. Okay, I'm going down with my freaking wooden sword and I'm gonna get that coal because that was the mission of this episode and we just spent like 9 minutes just getting killed. Because of you! Oh. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this up tonight or tomorrow night. Probably tonight. They deserve to watch us die. I forget which way I went. It was not this way, or maybe it was. I can't remember. Let's go down this way, though. Oh, an altar with creepers. Let's go to the altar. Here lies...
Hey, I found coal. It's so hard to get to either.
No! Diamond pickaxe! I got a diamond pickaxe!
I just found 2 coal.
And diamond sword. I'm happy. I'm really happy. Diamond stuff. Yay. Run, Carson. Run like you've never run before.
Everybody.
You go eat then. You go eat. Yes. You go do that. Bye. I will not lose these diamond tools. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, yes. Oh, man. That's amazing. I feel the power like going away into my soul. Yeah. Power. Woo. Okay. Let's get up here. Get up here. Not die. Don't you want to bet there's something down there? Like, I don't know. I just have a feeling there's something down in that glass tubing area. If that gave us diamond sword and stuff, I can't imagine what's up in there and things like that. Gosh. Let's not die up here because I don't want to die. Freaking blazes. Let's go. I lost my flak vest. I'm sad. Let's come over here without the blazes killing us. Who needs, oh wow. That was a little bit of lag. Okay, who needs, who really actually needs, stone tools when we got diamond ones that were in a grave? I mean, seriously. It's just stupid. I want to find the creeper spawners and end my pain. End all pain that has been here before. Look at that. Look at that. That's obsidian right there. Yes. That's how fast I mine obsidian. Yes. I can actually, like, do stuff now. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, yes. Boom, boom, boom. This is amazing. Amazing pickaxe. It's like from heaven. We are awesome. Best episode ever. Jonah set fire to the rain, and other great things happened. This is either going to be called Amazing Pickaxe, or Jonah set fire to the rain. I have no clue. I have stone slabs because of a creeper, so I'm going to do something with them. Boom. Boom. Now I can't somehow, like, get off. Boom. 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 Yeah! My fort. It's, like, going good. Let's place sand right there. Yes, this is the best thing ever built in Minecraft. The server log says JDog8420 moved wrongly. Okay. I don't know what I want to do now. I mean, seriously, like, I bet Vex didn't think I could make a nether portal or something. I don't know. But I do want to go back down there. I do. Because now I have a diamond sword. And it has fire aspect 2 and knockback 2. And look at that. That's amazing. Efficiency 5. I've never had this in my hands before. I knew this was going to be an awesome map. This is why I chose it. Because it's amazing. It's an amazing map. It's like I think this was my first super hostile map I ever played. And I barely played it. Let's just go in here, chopping it down. That's like amazing. Best pickaxe ever. I can't die now. I'm invincible, except for hunger. I think I'm gonna end the episode in a sec and leave it at that because I don't want it to be at a sad note when I die or something. Because I will die eventually. Oh, creeper spawner, I got rid of you. Ha! This island just got a little bit safer. I knew there was a creeper spawner. There's probably one over here. And this is a respawn point that I bet has a secret in it. Or something. Nope, no secrets. Just checking around for creeper spawners. That's like one hit. I love this. I love this pickaxe. I'm in love with it. You know what? You know what? You know what I'm gonna go do? I'm gonna go be epic. Yeah, that's right. That's right. This skeleton dungeon, I'm not sure if I completed it. I'm going to now. Yeah, that's right. Get back. What you gonna do about it? Yeah, I'm getting out of here. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Icy Hostile. Rate it, like, dislike. If you dislike it, I don't know why. Tell me in the comments. Like it, I guess. Comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you think I should add more guests. Like, I don't know. I could have Sam sometime. SK. I could have anyone. It's just how I feel at the time. So, this has been Icy Hostile 4. I've got the best sword ever and the best pickaxe ever. That's my string. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Bye, guys.